everyone, my name is Adhithi Ravichandran and welcome to my course React Native Components Playbook. I am a software consultant, author and speaker, and I primarily work on React, React Native and GraphQL apps. Did you know React Native builds native cross-platform apps with React and JavaScript? Are you ready to learn the core components of React Native? In this course React Native Components Playbook, first, you'll explore building the views in the app with the ScrollView component. Next, you'll learn more about other components like FlatList and SectionList to display large lists. We'll then build custom components for our app which can be reused across the app. Finally, you'll learn about the TextInput component to allow the user to enter data. By the end of this course, you'll know how to build scalable React Native apps using its core components. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with JavaScript, React, and the basics of React Native. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn React Native with the React Native Components Playbook course at Pluralsight.